This is day three. Day three. Let's see if we can make more than $3 profit today. So, it's Friday. Hold on here. Let me check the news for today. We have news coming out at 10 a.m. It's PCE. I'm not really sure if it's bad. Anyways, we're not trading on news. So I will not be trading before 10 a.m. I'm going to wait for news. Right now we're in a downtrend on gold. Weekly, daily, hourly, everything. We're going to wait for a downtrend. Wait for news to come out. Retracement, then we're taking a short. We're taking a short today. That's my goal, I think. We'll see. Maybe my bias changes, but that's my bias. So, anyways, another great morning. Up early. Run. Cold shower. Review goals. Everything. So, make a TikTok. We're locked in. There's no stopping us now. Now all we need is for Powell to not speak next week, and we'll pass to funded. That's the goal. Ooh, Powell speaks on Monday. Not good. Anyways, we're not gonna worry about that. So, yeah. I'll see you on the charts later. I might do a live trade. I don't know. Not a live trade, but I'll trade. It'll be in the video. But we'll see. Depends what price is doing, how it's working. Maybe we won't trade today because I really got to use this as my practice as well. Yeah, I know it's a fucking funded account and all that, but you know what I mean? So right now we are looking like it's... Anyway, no, I'm not going to get into that right now. So I got to do some journaling, get ready for my day, and I'll see you on a trade recap. Or just glimpses through the day. I think. We'll see. But that's the goal. Let's do it. All right. What a day. So, I did not take a trade. No, I didn't. My bias was... I don't know. I didn't know a good bias. I don't know what I was doing today, I'll be honest with you. I kind of lost track and everything. I was stuck in my work doing stuff. And be honest with you, I didn't know what my bias for today. So, well, I did know my bias. And I'm going to show you my setup. I'll show you what I mean here now. Anyways, let me get this up. 5. All right, it's recording now. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to show you this. Remember yesterday? I'll give you an analysis here. I'm just going to talk about it. So, yesterday, this big monster jumped down. Was it this one or was it this one? I don't remember which one it was. Give me a sec. Whatever. Anyways, there was news today, just like yesterday. News opened, news happened whenever. Jeez, I forget. I might have to start recording what I do. Thing is, I sat down almost all day and looked at the charts. That's basically what I did. Yeah, I had a bit of work here and there, but if I wasn't working, I was here at the charts. So, I don't know if you can see, I'm going to get rid of this equilibrium here so we can have a look. But, let's have a look. The 1 week, we're bearish. Purely bearish. Look, monster going down. Monster. Now, I don't know if we're in an order block here now. I don't really know because the weekly is weird to try and understand, I think. Still the same crap, liquidity sweep, up, gone. Any more? Any more liquidity sweeps? Liquidity sweep? Went that way. Yeah, whatever. Anyways. So, this is what I noticed. On the week, we're bearish. 4 hour, we're bearish. See? Trend going down. We're kind of minimal right now. Like, no, we're still going down. We're on a bearish trend. 1 hour, we're bearish. See that? Now, I probably missed a good time to get in today. 30-minute, bearish. Everything is bearish. But this was market open was right here. This is market open. This candlestick right here is market open. Now, all the other sessions, like London, sorry, that was yesterday. This is today's. Jesus, what am I fucking saying? Okay. This is market open right here, 8:30. This stick. Weird jump down. News came out, by the way, at that time. Weird jump down, rally. Which is weird. Came here. But we're on a bearish trend. Obviously, as you can see, you know, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Or sorry, lower high. Jeez, I'm really fucking up here today. I was busy a lot today. Jeez, I'm fucking out to lunch here. Okay, I gotta fucking refresh here. Okay, so we can see though exactly what's kind of going through my mind. Order block here. We had an hour order block. You know, price came down in it, went down. But this is all happening after. I was waiting for a rally up from over here because I noticed that there was a liquidity sweep down here. So I was thinking price is going to come up into one of these, react, and I would have took a crazy short. Because at the time, price was going up, it was retracing into one of these. So I was thinking, why would I trade a retracement? Because I don't know where really is supposed to go. But I know that if there is if it did happen, it's coming down. It's coming down, and we're taking out these lows here. We'll take out all these lows. So from this guy here, we would take him out, take him out. Also, see this date here? May 28th, almost a month. This is a monthly low right here. 100% we're taking that out. Tomorrow's Saturday. Monday, we're taking that out. I guess Asian session opens at 7:30. No, during the weekend now. But this is a monthly low. Right here is a monthly low. So we have it going up. We're going up. Break structure. Change. Right here. We're going down. Weird play here. I don't know what happened. Seems some weird stuff was going on. News happened here. Now we're taking a bigger fall. News again. Bigger fall. We're taking a climb up to one of these. And then we're shooting down. And when that happens, I'm hoping it's this one. And we take that monster long. Where's my pips? I need 50. Where's 50? This would be my stop loss. And I would target these. Honestly, I'd probably target here. Because I won't want to get risky with it. But I've got the calculations for this. Yes, no, I wouldn't do that big of a trade. Honestly, I'm still trying not to blow my account. So even that would be good. My pips seem to be at 50. So I'd probably put this on top of that liquidity. And I'd take... No, hold on. At the sweep here. And then I'm taking down here. 100%. 100% I'm taking out these lows. We're taking out these lows on Monday. So I'm thinking... USD, yeah? US dollar. Yeah. What the fuck am I doing? I don't know. My head is all over the place. I'm trying to do a lot of stuff. I'm actually making new business here now. So I'm going to post every day still, obviously, but I got a lot I'm doing. I'm going to try and do a lot. And I'm going to fucking kill with this. This is going to be something I'm going to figure out. Yeah. But this is going to hit, down, up. But let's just watch what happens here. Let's just watch with these. I'm fucking stuttering and shit. With these order blocks and value gaps and imbalances and whatever. We can see here, hold on. The leg up. No. The leg, what in the fucking Jesus? The leg up that caused the leg down. So that's an order block here. Price came up. Price was already in it, really. It kind of just stayed in it and dropped. But what do we have here? We have a fair value gap. Price went through it and still dropped. Like, this is the best one here. This is the best of my thoughts of the best thing that can happen. Because this got swept out of it. It filled it, but it still came over. And it took a liquidity sweep out of the fair value gap, which is just weird. Same thing happened here, kind of. But this is the best one. So we have a 1 hour fair value gap. It's obviously a bearish one because we're going down. And we see price comes down, fills it, hits an equilibrium. At the time, where would have been the high? Hold on. Let me get the... Fuck off. Let me get the high. The high. And at the time... I'm trying to think here. For fuck's sake. I'm all over the place. But it even shows that no matter what, how far you are. Okay. Okay, I can't do this right now. I'm just gonna explain. I'm just gonna explain every fucking thing. Okay, quick breath. What the fuck am I getting on with here? So yeah, price came up in that 1 hour fair value gap right here. Filled it, reacted, confirmation that we're going back down, and it went back down. We got a liquidity sweep here. Came up. I know you're wondering, what's this? What's this little tiny thing here? It is a 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I know. Crazy, hey? You can even kind of see it here, that it's a tiny, tiny, tiny fair value gap. But look what price did. Smacked in it. Big rejection going down. So obviously we're in a downtrend. Price is trying to go up. Let's see if I can draw. Price is trying to go up here and hit one of these, because that's where all the orders have been filled. All of them. There's all the sells. Everything is here. Maybe people buying that fucked up and their stop losses, but there's imbalance right here, order block here, liquidity all in this area. So I'm thinking this area is just a huge point of interest. So whenever if price wants to come up, maybe it'll hit here and come down. But even if it ever comes up in here, I'll take that big long. Now I'm thinking that it might not get there now, and if it does, it'll be too late. But if something happens in this area, I'm still going to take that short. No matter what, my next move here is a short, no matter what. Now, tomorrow my bias could change. Honestly, who knows? But it seems like, as we can tell, right here, low, 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 high, break a structure here, high, low. Now I'm thinking, look, high, low. It's kind of my bias and what I'm thinking, and whatever. Fuck it. That's just how it's going to be. But I just want to go look and kind of back test here. But my liquidity sweep, break a structure, rally. Fuck. I can't just use that for my strategy, because I need daily bias as well. Because this probably happened because there's a shift. This was, I don't know if it was a retracement, because, well, that's an order block right here. It's crazy. Price came in, hit it, filled it, gone. You'd have made a lot of money off that trade. Jesus. Someday. Anyways, that's kind of my head space with this today. I'll show you just in case you don't believe me. Because I almost pressed sell today, and I almost took a trade and I would have lost. But I'm still at, Jesus, I'm still at that there. So, not a big deal. I want to see what the, so price is going down right now. But it's being weird. Like, it's going down so slowly and casually, as you can see. Like, the market's still open, I think. I don't know. Our time and their time is fucking... But yeah, we're on a downtrend right now. Look at all these highs. The high, low. Lower, high. Lower, low. Lower, high. I assume it's going to keep going, but we're going to get a retrace. We're going to get this retrace. Whoop. Up here. Fill it. Bing, bing, bing. Boom. Gone. That's my thought. Anyways. So, if that was to happen... I can't fucking speak properly right now, goddamn. What's that here? Let's have a look. Okay, so, yeah, enough of that. I'm actually ending. No, I'm not ending it yet, because then I'll frig up the... That's it for today. What is this, day 3? Jeez, I'm losing count already. Day 3. No trade today. A little bit of a recap, just to see where my headset was at, or headspace was at. But we... did not trade. I'm actually glad I didn't. If anything, I should have traded at the right time. And I missed it. But it's all with practice anyway. Okay, I gotta end this because my fucking head's everywhere and I gotta do other things where I gotta get to the gym again. Not again. Get to the gym. And yeah. So that's all. Day 4 tomorrow. I think we're gonna do... If I can do like a 7-hour video tomorrow for back testing, that'd be crazy. I don't think I have enough storage on my phone to do anything like that anyways, but I'll try and figure it out. But yeah, that's all. Okay, enough talking. That's it.